Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Minimal traffic, so we're going to go a little bit slower. Last week I wondered why they were beveling the little hillside drop-offs along here as they were, I thought, burying the pipe for the pipeline, the water pipeline. But what has evolved is, now it's coming up. Right here coming up, they had beveled it. And now they've rebuilt the bank. Look at it. They rebuilt it. Here, they're rebuilding it, but here they're beveling it. This is where they're going to then dig down, bury the pipe, and then reconstruct the bank with the loose dirt. I don't know why they're doing it. It may have something to do with the size of the machinery and the reach of the arm. That's a guess. If you know why they would do it that way, like a two-step process instead of a one-step process of burying the trenching and burying, please tell me. Steve AB4L, just being nosy about the water pipeline project, saying see you in 73.